Finding the best microwave dishes can feel tricky, especially when you just want food that heats evenly and cleanup that doesn't ruin your night. The best microwave dishes are safe, sturdy, and sized for real meals, not tiny portions, and they make everyday cooking faster and less stressful. After years of reheating leftovers, meal prepping busy workdays, and late-night snacks in typical US kitchens, I've learned what actually holds up and what cracks or stains too fast. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Reston Lloyd Calypso Microwave Cookware Set. The Reston Lloyd Calypso Microwave Cookware Set is my go-to for fast meals and simple cleanup. It works well for rice, pasta, and leftovers on busy days. The vented steam lids help control moisture, which keeps food from turning soggy. I also like the stackable storage design, since everything nests neatly in small cabinets. Bowls feel sturdy and safe for daily microwave use. Sizes are practical for lunches and dinners. Cleanup is easy in the dishwasher. The plastic look is basic, not fancy. Still, for everyday cooking, it feels reliable and stress-free. Number 4. Amazon Basics Swirl Dinnerware Set. The Amazon Basics Swirl Dinnerware Set is what I suggest when someone wants a full set on a tight budget. It feels practical right out of the box. Plates are light, yet they do not feel fragile. The AB grade porcelain gives a nice balance of strength and comfort. I also like the high heat safe rating, which makes reheating leftovers stress-free. The swirl design adds a soft style without being loud. Sizes work well for real meals, not tiny portions. Bowls are great for cereal, soup, or quick noodles. Everything fits easily in the dishwasher after dinner. The glaze is smooth and easy to wipe clean. One downside is that edges can chip if dropped hard. Still, for everyday homes, this set feels useful, affordable, and easy to live with. Number 3. Corelle Vitrelle 18-piece dinnerware set. The Corelle Vitrelle 18-piece dinnerware set is what I use when I want plates that feel light but last for years. Meals feel calmer because nothing feels bulky in my hands. The triple-layer glass design really helps with daily drops and bumps. I also trust the chip-resistant build for busy family dinners. It heats well in the microwave for quick leftovers. Cleanup stays easy since food does not cling. The simple white look fits every table, from weeknights to guests. Bowls feel just right for cereal or soup. One thing to note is heat shock, so slow changes matter. Overall, it feels reliable, familiar, and made for everyday homes. Number 2. LaCuisine Microwave Cookware White. The LaCuisine Microwave Cookware White is what I reach for when I want simple meals without extra dishes. It moved easily from microwave to fridge, which fits real-life cooking. The table-to-fridge design saves time on busy nights. I also like the full lid set, since leftovers store clean and neat. Bowls feel roomy for soups and pasta. For families, this works well with best microwave dishes with lids. The plastic feels light, not premium. Heat limits mean no oven use. Still, for daily prep, it's calm and reliable. Number 1. Chef's Choice Divided Microwave Storage Trays. The Chef's Choice Divided Microwave Storage Trays has been a real help during busy US work weeks when quick meals matter. I use it for leftovers, rice bowls, and simple dinners, and it heats evenly without drying food out. The vented steam lid really helps reduce splatter, which saves cleanup time. I also like the 3-section tray because it keeps food separate and portions balanced. For everyday meals, this fits well with best microwave dishes with vented lids. The plastic is lightweight, not fancy, and tomato sauce can stain, but for the price, it's practical and reliable. Final verdict. Personally, I recommend Chef's Choice Divided Microwave Storage Trays as the best overall product. It hits the sweet spot of everyday use, durability, and convenience, and it makes heating and serving meals easier with smart features like vented lids and divided sections. If you're after a specific need, I recommend the LaCuisine Microwave Cookware White for a budget-friendly, versatile option that's great for meal prep and storage. Both of these microwave dishes perform well in real kitchens and bring value in slightly different ways. Check the description links for current prices and more details, and pick the microwave dishes that fit your style and needs best.